team crashes, gets to the end of the track. The sled comes to a stop, and we crawled out and decided to lift the sled across the finish line. According to the movie, that's what happened, right? Are you kidding me? Do you know how much a 4-man bobsled weighs? 650 pounds. So can you imagine lifting a 650 pound sled over your head, walking on slippery ice and then slipping and then having that thing fall on you? The sensible thing to do, which is what was done, was that we pushed the sled across the finish line, yes. A tearjerker though, the way Hollywood portrayed it, very dramatic, inspirational ending. Another fact versus fiction in Cool Runnings.